Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Opel Motorhome, a fresh and clever blend of practicality, performance and smart design. Let's explore what makes this one of the most exciting entries in the campervan market today. First impressions? Sleek, modern, and surprisingly aerodynamic for a motorhome. Opel's 2025 model takes cues from their new design language, with sharp LED lighting, bold front grille and flush-mounted windows for a streamlined look. It's built on a stretched version of the Opel Movano platform, giving you ample space without compromising on drivability. And yes, those 17-inch alloy wheels are standard. Step inside and you'll instantly notice how airy and spacious it feels. The layout is incredibly efficient, with clever use of vertical space, modular furniture and top-quality finishes. You get a fully equipped kitchenette with a dual-burner stove, sink and a 70-liter fridge. A pop-up dining table transforms into a lounge or workspace. And yes, there's a compact wet bathroom with a cassette toilet and integrated shower. Lighting is LED throughout with touch-dim options. Insulation and soundproofing are excellent, making it cozy for all seasons. Under the hood you'll find Opel's proven 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 165 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. Paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, the motorhome handles surprisingly well for its size. It's responsive, quiet, and feels stable even on winding roads. Advanced driver aids come standard, including lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Opel hasn't skimped on tech either. The dash features a 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. USB-C ports are scattered throughout the cabin, and there's even a solar panel roof option for off-grid adventures. What truly sets the 2025 Opel Motorhome apart is its flexibility. The rear garage space is adjustable, fitting bikes, boards, or even a scooter. There's also an optional awning with integrated LED lighting for the ultimate camp setup. And with multiple layout options, from two-person weekenders to full four-berth family models, it adapts to your lifestyle. The 2025 Opel Motorhome blends the convenience of a van with the soul of adventure. Whether you're chasing sunsets or simply escaping the 9-to-5, this could be your perfect home on wheels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you take the 2025 Opel Motorhome on your next road trip? See you on the road.